Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video, we're back on the ZR, obviously. Not uploaded in about 2 or 3 months, and this ran about a month ago. So, big step really. I've still got a fucking shit ton to do. But it runs, obviously, radiator's not in, intercooler's not in, anything like that. It's got oil in it, it's not got coolant in it. It runs, I will show that in this video. I don't know how I'm going to do it, because I've lost my tripod. But I will show that it does run in this video. You can see the camera's ridiculously out of focus for some reason. I'm pretty sure I need a new one. There's a wire over there which goes over to the battery. That's for the fuel pump, because before, for some reason, the fuel pump wasn't getting power. It'd prime, but it wouldn't get power when you turn the car over. Well, anyway, we bypassed that, basically hardwired the pump. I will be making a switch panel for it at some point, but I just want to show you what I've done recently. So I made the downpipe, or part of it, and it kind of just goes under there. It doesn't go anywhere further than that. I do obviously need to make the rest of the downpipe. I've got a bit of 2.5 inch pipe there. I should have made it from the flange 2 inch to 2.5, because there's a bolt under here which you can't get to. I've had to buy a fair few new sensors. I've also had to buy another clutch, or well, I gave another clutch. So after some searching, I still can't find it, but I've just had a look through my phone, and I've got a 215mm clutch, 215mm flywheel. I had those anyway, but the clutch I got sold it as 215 stage 2 clutch, and it wasn't. It was a 228mm clutch, and I have a 250mm flywheel, so I can't run it. Well, that's not an issue anyway. I mean, it'll probably slip after a couple of thousand miles, but you know, it happens. At that point, I'll probably have another engine built, because as soon as this is roadworthy, which should be about April time, as soon as this goes on the road, then I'll be pretty much ready to build another engine for it. Forged block, N-series block, VVC head, solid cam, capable of about 400 horsepower. Probably going to take it above 3. But yeah, that's partially painted. This side's all sanded now. The bumper I cracked because I'm a fucking mong. And if you could see through that, I bought a new daily. Yeah, I've got a Firefrost Red Rover 25 now. It's got a couple of little bits done to it. So you can see half of this side is painted gloss white. It's alright, it's just base coat. There's no clear coat on it. I have just been and bought more clear coat. And yes, I'm going to get a lot of hate for rattle canning my car. I don't care. It's probably going to go away this time next year anyway. Or, well, about a year after it's insured, it'll probably go away for a bit. Simply so I can redo it all. I know it sounds stupid, but I want to be able to do it properly, and currently I'm not in a financial situation to do that. Also, pillar pods, I've started on those. I've started fiberglassing it. Looks like a fucking mess at the minute, but it'll work. I'll get it sorted. It's actually looking a lot better than it did the other day. Okay, so other than paintwork and, you know, runningness, I also have some 160 calipers that I need to rebuild. If you remember me saying a while ago, I said I was going to go with Brembos, but I can't afford them at the minute, so 160 setup will do. Also, don't know if you'll be able to see, I've got coilovers. They're not the greatest coilovers. They are AVO, I don't actually know what the proper pronunciation of it is. But they're a decent brand coilover. It's the cheaper side for ZR coilovers. They could do with a refresh. Currently I can only adjust 2 of them, which is, let me remember, it's that one and that one. This one I need to figure out how to sort the back corner one. The grub screw snapped when I tried to undo it, so I need to figure a way to get that out. So as a lot of you know, ZRs come with this horrible cream shit like that. I now have a black headliner, a black light. I've got the rover clocks in still. I may change them at some point, I'm not 100% sure. I also have boost gauge. That's my old coolant gauge, which I'm not going to use. I believe that's all. Also, 2 sets of tail lights, trophy lights and the chrome trophy lights. I'm doing some custom stuff with those. I'm testing it on the chrome, then doing it on the trophy lights, mainly to get this thing not deafening, is finish the fucking exhaust. The exhaust, fuel pressure regulator, mapping, battery to boot conversion. I've got I'm getting a switch panel being made. I've ordered the switches. I've also ordered a couple of other little things. Pretty much everything should be as it is within the next, I'd probably say by the end of the year, this thing should be running stably on its own. Also, secret, I can't tell you, but it's to do with these. That's all I'm saying. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe down below as you always do. I will try and upload more consistently. Can't promise that I will though. I'll see you guys in the next bloody video.